Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Millie and welcome to another day in Millymas, but also welcome to another Multichrome Monday. And I somehow deleted the intro and outro to this video, so I'll be taking you through it via voiceover, and I apologize. This video is way pre-filmed and the footage just got lost somewhere. So in today's Multichrome Monday, I'm going to be talking about Maeder Labs. I do have 3 shades from them. They're very affordable. 2 of them are more like toppers, while one is a deep jeweled multichrome, so you will see some eye swatches, and I will also be doing some arm swatches. So let's get right into it. So I've already primed with the Be Perfect primer, and I'm just going to be going on top of it first using Ailment, and I'm using my ColourPop brush as always, and you can see it's very translucent. This is like a green to pink shift. I would definitely use this with a tacky base. And then on the other eye, I'm using Argon, and you can see these are pretty flaky, a little bit textured. Definitely, like I mentioned, need a tacky base. And then I did end up switching my brush to a more fluffy brush, but still flat. Shade is a much more vibrant pink to a bronze or a gold. You could also call it orange. And then lastly, I'm swatching the deep multichrome. This is Radioactive Radon, and this is a deep forest green to a dark purple. And as you can see, I did switch out the brush. I felt like the flat brush just wasn't really putting these on the best. I also ended up going in with my finger to just tap it on. And definitely it is not the most shiny and metallic compared to other multichromes I've swatched before. I think this one would also benefit from a tacky base for sure, but you can see the shift. And then lastly, here's some swatches. We've got the shades by themselves and then over a black base. So you can see the black base really amps them up, even the deeper shade, but especially the more translucent shades. I did wear test the deep jeweled multichrome and it wore really well. It's definitely not the most metallic multichrome out there, but it is only $9. So I think this is for somebody who just wants to try a multichrome, or somebody who is new to multichromes and just wants to get a feel for if this is something you would feel like you would want to wear. And the other 2 shades, the more translucent ones, I think are really stunning, very sparkly. Those are on the safer side, so those you could share them out, or you could also build them up over a black base like I showed in the swatches, or you could put it over an eyeshadow. I think those are really beautiful as toppers. So those are a little bit for everyone. Let me know in the comments below if you tried Maeder Labs and if you enjoyed them, if there's other shades that you would recommend. That's everything for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I promise not all videos are like this, but there's also already a ton of multichrome content on my channel. I will make sure to leave a playlist link down in the description box. And so that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.